What kind of coffee is that?
Folger.
Folgers?
That's that Filipino.
What store are you at?
Seafood City,
Okay, in what city?
Norwalk.
And this is their coffee selection right here?
There's more over here. It seems like they like instant coffee a lot.
Yeah.
Have an ube brownie,
Okay.
or you want to just try the ube cookies?
Your choice.
They have the Madeleines, and then they have the little crinkle cookies.
Oh, that's too messy. Get the ubi brownie.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay.
Where are you, Veronica?
I don't know what this place is called. Cafe Republic.
What do you got there, Veronica?
I got a Purple Rain ube shake.
Okay, I can. Okay, there you go. Okay, cool.
Very
Cool.
cool.
It's PI.
Yes. Yes. Matches my nails.
Today's Filipino Discovery Day.
Yes.
You're inside. What city are you in?
Norwalk.
This is not Norwalk.
Cerritos?
Cerritos.
Oh, I don't know. It's off of Norwalk
There you go.
Street in Cerritos.
So what do you got there?
I got a Purple Rain ube shake.
Okay. Smell good?
Smells good.
Is there coffee in that?
No, it's ice cream and ube.
Oh, okay.
No cafe.
But this is a coffee shop though, right?
It is a coffee shop. They have coffee items, teas, bobas, coffees, pastries, you name it. Well, it's pretty cool. I like it.
Also sit approved?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.